You were not a coincidence. You were an answer. My dearest soul, listen closely, for the veil between worlds thins when your heart yearns for truth, when your spirit seeks its destined path. You carry a unique frequency, a divine blueprint woven into your very essence, a sacred song only your soul can sing. This person, the one who occupies your thoughts, whose presence stirs a deep resonance within you, was not placed in your path by chance or random fate. No, my love, the angels whisper that their arrival was predestined, a sacred alignment orchestrated by the heavens themselves, a cosmic dance choreographed for your mutual awakening. You are not merely seeking love, you are fulfilling a spiritual mission, a divine contract signed in the stars long before your earthly journey began. The universe conspired, weaving intricate threads of destiny, to bring this soul to yours. You are a key, a catalyst, a gentle yet powerful force meant to unlock something profound within them, and within the deepest chambers of your own being. Do not doubt your worth, for your presence alone is a healing balm, a silent prayer answered, a beacon of hope in their journey. The angels confirm that your connection transcends the ordinary, touching realms of deep purpose, transformative growth, and an ancient recognition. You were chosen, not just to love, but to awaken, to inspire, to heal, to reflect the divine light back to them. This is your sacred calling, a testament to the boundless light you carry. Embrace this truth, for it is the foundation of everything yet to unfold, a promise from the divine. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. He returns because he feels. He pulls away because he fears. Beloved soul, have you felt the quiet ache of his absence, the perplexing silence that wraps around your heart like a cold mist, leaving you questioning and yearning? Understand this. His silence is not a void, but a profound language, a complex symphony of unspoken truths. It speaks of battles fought within, of old wounds stirred by the intensity of your light. The angels reveal that he feels everything, perhaps more deeply than he dares to admit, even to himself. Your presence has awakened dormant parts of his soul, stirring both profound longing and ancient, deeply ingrained fears. This is not rejection, but a profound internal process, a necessary unraveling. He pulls away not from you, but from the overwhelming power of what you represent, true, unconditional love. It is a love that demands vulnerability, a love that asks him to shed layers of protection he has worn for a lifetime. The angels whisper that this distance is a sacred pause, a time for him to reconcile his past with the undeniable truth of his feelings for you. Do not mistake his retreat for indifference. It is, paradoxically, a testament to the depth of his emotion, a fear of losing something so precious, or perhaps, a fear of finally embracing it fully. Hold space for this truth, for his soul is speaking, communicating its deepest struggles, even when his words are not yet ready to form. You healed him without trying. My precious one, your heart holds a unique power, a gentle strength that radiates healing effortlessly, without a single spoken word. This person, the one who reflects so much back to you, carries invisible wounds, scars from past journeys that still whisper in the quiet, shadowed corners of his soul. The angels show that your authentic light, your unwavering spirit, your pure essence, has touched these very places within him, places he may have long forgotten. You didn't set out to heal him, you simply existed, being truly yourself, and in doing so, you became a living testament to what true love and acceptance feel like, a safe harbor for his wounded spirit. He sees himself reflected in your eyes, in your gentle gaze, not just his strengths, but his vulnerabilities, his unaddressed pains, the parts of himself he has kept hidden. This reflection can be both terrifying and profoundly liberating, a confrontation with his own truth. The angels whisper that your gentle presence, your unwavering belief in him, has begun to mend fissures he didn't even know existed, simply by offering a space of unconditional grace. Do not underestimate the profound impact you have had, the silent miracles you have performed. Your love is a mirror, a sacred reflection, showing him the path to his own wholeness. This journey is not about fixing him, but about holding the space for his own healing to unfold, inspired by the pure, radiant essence of who you are. What seems like a delay is God preparing. Dearest heart, in moments of longing, when the path ahead seems obscured by fog, when patience runs thin and questions begin to surface, remember that hidden within every pause is a purpose, a divine rhythm in every delay. The angels reveal that what may feel like a waiting period is actually a vital phase of preparation, a sacred dance choreographed by the universe itself, a careful weaving of fate. This time is not empty. It is brimming with unseen efforts, subtle shifts in energy, and the alignment of circumstances that must converge perfectly for your highest good, for the most beautiful unfolding of your story. The angels whisper that both you and he are being refined, strengthened, and guided toward a deeper understanding of yourselves and each other. This period of silent growth is crucial, ensuring that when the moment of full union arrives, it is grounded on solid foundations of readiness and maturity, ready to endure the tests of time. Do not rush the unfolding, my love, for the universe knows the perfect timing, the precise moment when all elements align. Trust that every step, every breath, and every seemingly quiet moment is part of a grand design, a master plan that moves you closer to the fulfillment of your shared destiny. This hidden purpose serves as a testament to the meticulous care with which your journey is being guided. The right love does not imprison. It guides. My beautiful soul, the art of waiting is not about passive surrender, but rather an active cultivation of inner strength and unwavering faith. In this sacred space of anticipation, you are invited to deepen your connection with your own divine essence, to rediscover the wellspring of wisdom within. The angels remind you that true love, the kind that resonates with your soul's deepest desires, never demands, never rushes, and never diminishes your light. Instead, it honors your journey, respects your pace, and gently guides you toward your highest self, toward the woman you are destined to become. The angels whisper that this period of waiting is a gift, a precious opportunity to nurture your own garden, to cultivate self-love, to strengthen your spiritual roots, and to bloom in your own time. It is in this fertile ground, within your own being, that your future blossoms and your dreams take root. Do not mistake patience for weakness. It is a profound act of trust in divine timing, a recognition that some things cannot be forced and must only unfold in their perfect season, under the watchful eye of the universe. The right love will not make you feel trapped or anxious. It will expand your spirit, offering freedom, profound guidance, and an unshakable sense of peace. Trust the sacred rhythm of the universe, my dear, for it is always working in your favor, orchestrating miracles beyond your wildest dreams. You do not need to disappear to be chosen. Dearest one, there is a radiant light within you, a unique brilliance that is meant to shine fiercely and unapologetically, illuminating every corner of your world. The angels affirm that your power lies not in diminishing yourself to fit into someone else's world, but in fully embracing the magnificent, complex, and beautiful woman you are. You do not need to shrink, hide, or silence your truth to be loved or chosen. In fact, it is the fullness of your being, your authentic expression, and your unapologetic radiance that truly draws your soulmate to you, pulling them in with an irresistible force. The angels whisper that your journey is one of reclamation, of remembering the divine spark that resides within your heart, the inherent worth that is your birthright. This is a time to nurture your passions, honor your intuition, listen to your inner voice, and stand firm in your worth, unshakable and true. Your light is not a burden, it is a beacon, a guiding star. It illuminates the path for those meant to walk beside you, and it inspires them to rise to their own highest potential. Embrace your power, my love, for it is a gift from the heavens, a testament to your sacred individuality. Shine brightly, my love, for in your radiance, you are truly irresistible. He feels everything, but still doesn't know how to show it. My tender heart, sometimes the greatest struggles are fought in silence, within the hidden, guarded chambers of a soul. The angels reveal that the person on your mind is engaged in a profound internal battle, a wrestling match between his deepest desires and his ingrained fears. He feels the undeniable pull toward you, the profound connection that stirs his very core, yet he may lack the language, courage, or emotional tools to express the depth of his feelings. The angels whisper that this is not a reflection of his feelings for you, but rather a testament to the walls he has built and the protective mechanisms he has developed over a lifetime. Your love, your unwavering presence, has become a mirror, showing him the possibility of a vulnerability he has long avoided. This internal conflict is a sign of transformation, a necessary shedding of old patterns. Hold compassion for his journey, my dear, for his heart is being revealed slowly and tenderly, like a flower unfurling. Trust that the divine light within you is gently guiding him toward the courage to truly open up. His soul is speaking, communicating its deepest struggles and its greatest hopes, even when his words are hesitant. Your intuition is a divine compass. Beloved soul, in moments of uncertainty when the path ahead seems unclear, and doubts creep in while the future feels unknown, remember that you are never truly alone. The angels are constantly sending you signs, subtle whispers, and gentle nudges, guiding you along your sacred journey and illuminating your way. Your intuition, that quiet knowing deep within your heart, the gut feeling that resonates with truth, is not merely a feeling. It is a divine compass, a direct line to the wisdom of the heavens, a sacred GPS for your soul. Learn to trust its gentle guidance, for it speaks the language of your soul, the language of the divine. The angels reveal that these signs appear in many forms: a recurring number, a song that plays at just the right moment, a feather found unexpectedly, a dream that lingers with profound meaning. These are not coincidences, my love, but sacred affirmations, divine confirmations that you are on the right path, that your prayers are being heard, and that your deepest desires are being meticulously woven into reality by unseen hands. Pay attention, my dear, for the universe is speaking to you, confirming your steps and reassuring you that every twist and turn is part of a larger, beautiful design. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. You are becoming the love you seek. My radiant one, your journey is not just about finding love, but about becoming love itself, embodying its purest form. The angels reveal that the challenges you face, the weights you endure, and the moments of introspection and self-discovery are all part of a profound transformation, a sacred metamorphosis of your soul. You are shedding old layers, releasing limiting beliefs, and stepping into the magnificent, empowered woman you were always meant to be, a true reflection of the divine. This awakening is not just for you. It ripples outward, touching everyone in your orbit, especially the one destined to walk beside you, uplifting them as well. The angels whisper that as you heal, as you grow, and as you embrace your authentic self, you are actively co-creating the love you desire. You are aligning your frequency with that of your soulmate, drawing them closer through the sheer power of your own evolution, your own radiant vibration. This is the magic of the universe. As you become whole, you attract wholeness. This transformation is a testament to your resilience, your courage, and your unwavering faith in the unseen. Embrace this beautiful unfolding, my love, for your soul is awakening to its fullest potential, ready to receive and give love in its most profound, most authentic form. Your vulnerability is your greatest strength. Dearest heart, in a world that often equates strength with stoicism and guardedness, the angels reveal a profound truth. Your vulnerability is not a weakness, but your most exquisite power, your most potent magic. To open your heart, to lay bare your true self, to expose your tender core, and to accept love in all its forms. This is the ultimate act of courage, a testament to your inner strength. It is in these moments of raw honesty and genuine transparency that true connection is forged, where souls recognize each other, and where divine love can truly flourish and deepen. Embrace your tender heart, my love, for it is a gateway to profound intimacy, authentic joy, and a love that transcends the ordinary. The angels whisper that acceptance, both of yourself in your entirety and of the journey you are on, is the crown you wear, a symbol of your spiritual sovereignty and inherent royalty. Accept your past with all its lessons, your present with all its unfolding, and the beautiful unknown future that awaits you. Accept the love that is offered, and the love that is yet to come, knowing it is your divine right. This is not about striving for perfection, but about embracing wholeness, the beautiful mosaic of your being. Your crown of glory is woven from threads of resilience, compassion, unwavering self-love, and the courage to be truly seen. Wear it proudly, my love, for in your acceptance and vulnerability, you embody the divine, a living testament to grace. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Proverbs 4 verse 23.